I am always looking for cool decor to put in my yard, and this goes on the outside of a tree, right on the trunk, and I have the perfect tree for it. And then it will hold bird seed down here. It has everything you need to hang it. This set comes with everything you need ready to hang on a tree outside in your yard. Look, here are the anchors and the screws. There's holes on the back of the eyes and on the mouth. I cannot wait to fill this with bird seed so that my birds find it. This is much heavier than I anticipated. I thought this was going to be like really lightweight plastic. It's not. It is heavy resin. You can see the pieces are pretty thick. And the back of this part is even concave so that it will form to the shape of the tree. It comes with instructions telling you exactly how to install it, how to mark your holes, how far apart to put everything. But I cannot wait to get this hung up in my yard.